Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change TikTok region without VPN. So just go and open the TikTok mobile application here, and after as you open it, right in the bottom right side corner you will see the profile icon. Just click on the profile icon. Then on the top right side corner you will see the three horizontal lines. Click on there, go to the setting and privacy. Now here you if you want to change a TikTok region without a VPN, scroll a little bit down, select the language section, and here preferred language, right? So just click on there, and here you can select change the region without a VPN. So if you want to watch some this a Canada content, then select the Canada, and this way you can select the languages of that country from where you want to see the content. And after that, click on the done, which is on the top right side corner, and you will be easily able to see the content of that region without using a VPN. So this is it guys, and if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.